This tutorial will walk you through how to use Zoom when you receive a Pocket RN meeting invite on your Android phone. Whether you open the Pocket RN app to join the Zoom meeting, or you receive the invite via a text message, you can select the Zoom link to open the Zoom app on your phone. You may be prompted to either open the link in your browser or with the Zoom app. You should select the Zoom app always. If you are in the Zoom app for the first time, you'll need to enter your name. Zoom will also ask for your permission to access your microphone, which you should always allow while using the app. You'll see a series of controls at the bottom of the app. You should select Call over Internet on Join Audio to use your phone's microphone. We do not recommend that you dial in, as this will have you join through a phone call. You should also select Start Video. You may be asked to allow Zoom to take pictures and record video, which you should allow while using the app. You now should be able to hear and see the participants in the meeting, and they can hear and see you. After a brief moment, the app controls will hide. If you tap on the screen, they will reappear. You may also accidentally enter safe driving mode. To exit, simply hold your finger on the screen from the right to the left. If you tap mute, you will mute the microphone. If you tap stop video, your phone camera will turn off. On the top left of the app, you may also turn off and on all sound from the meeting. You may also switch to using your front-facing camera. If the other participant doesn't appear in the meeting, you can tap Participants to see if anyone else has joined and whether their video and microphone is on. When you are ready, tap Leave and confirm to leave the meeting. If you accidentally left the meeting early, you can always tap on the meeting link again to re-enter the Zoom meeting. We do not recommend using any other controls on Zoom for Pocket RN meetings. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for using Zoom on your phone.